Privacy Short! Today I'm preparing another interview and look what I found in my jacket here. It's an NFC chip. Nowadays a lot of NFC chips and other chips are built into clothes and I found another one actually right here. Let's go check it out. NFC chips, do you really want it? Actually no. Check out this TV, this is brand new, has an NFC chip in it. The first problem you have, when you scan it, for example, everything that happens here on the TV is brought together with everything on your phone. And this is collected again by the data silos, which then again send it to the digital ID. So what you watch here is known and this is getting categorized and monitored. The second thing is, if somebody doesn't scan it, for example, and just walks by with their device, this is also getting recognized that this NFC chip was now in contact with the phone. So also the content gets again analyzed and categorized. And it's not good, because according to that, you are maybe having disadvantage in the future about your insurance or just being categorized in a certain way you don't want to end up. Privacy tip. All your devices, before you buy them, check it out if they have NFC chips. And if they have, either rip it out or just don't buy the device. Yeah, if you want to have more information about those topics, just check out our Privacy Insider. Here you get regular updates to those topics. See you in the next short.